dear viewers! Today we're talking about a simple and very easy pastry recipe. It's a great chance to try something new in the kitchen and enjoy a wonderful result. And don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, so we can continue to provide more unique recipes. In a bowl, we add a cup of liquid milk, a cup of water, and half a cup of oil. Then we add a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and a tablespoon of vinegar. After that, we add 2 cups of flour and mix the ingredients well to blend. Then we let it rest for half an hour. Afterward, we add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and we mix the ingredients and knead them to get a cohesive dough. Then we let it ferment for at least an hour. When the dough is ready, we divide it into small parts to make it easier for us to shape the forms simply. When you're ready to shape the dough, first make sure that the dough is ready and well inflated from fermentation. Then, you can start dividing it into small parts to make it suitable for the shape you want to make. First, we will cut the dough and roll it out into a circular shape. You can use a little flour to prevent sticking. After that, we will cut the dough in half, then into 4 pieces, and then into equal triangles. We will repeat these steps with the remaining dough. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français, et en anglais. Next, we will arrange the dough pieces on a baking tray, cover them, and let them rise for 15 minutes before putting them in the oven. Then, we will mix egg yolk with a spoon of Nescafe coffee and a little water and brush it on the shapes we made as shown in the video. We will bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I won't specify an exact time because it varies between electric and regular ovens. The important thing is to keep an eye on them until the dough is well baked. After taking the dough out of the oven, we will move on to the decorating stage. Here, we will need white and dark chocolate to decorate in this simple way, which gives it a very beautiful look and an amazing taste. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to support me with a like and share, and subscribe to the channel so I can share more great ideas and recipes with you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.